Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the addition with seven extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve, and we have here the seven extra puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Look in the newspaper of Tuesday, April the 21st, 2024. And let me continue. We have here two jigsaw Sudoku in Dutch. They call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. In these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved this afternoon 3 regular puzzles. Okay, the first one, the 3 star Sudoku number 8412. 8412. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has a lot, 30 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one is 30. So 5 digits more. Usually for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, 30 printed digits, so I think it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about? Yeah. Let me scan. Alright. Interesting. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left with 7 should be here, and there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. The only place left with 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left with 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left with 7 should be here, and there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the first row, no 7 there. So the only place left with 7, I should be there. And the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Can I do this again? Let me see. Well. Alright. How about the number? The number. Let me see. Yeah. 4. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in the first column could be here or there. We see another 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Need a 3 here. And I need a 2 here. Okay, 7, 1, 6 should be there. The 9 and the 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 9. Okay, 9. Yeah. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. Come on. Need a 5. Yeah, 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. How about the number? 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left with 1 should be there. Okay. 1, 1. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 2 should be there. 4 and 2, 7, 5, 1. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So that column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. Now, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this second row, no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the must. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and then 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7. 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4, 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there, and 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Alright, 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay, I cannot continue with the 9, same with the 2. We have a pair, 2 and a 9 in the first column, 2 and a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Here we have 1 box left in this second row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Alright, then... 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for 4 is should be there. 2 missing, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and a 1. We have 4 and a 1 in the second column, so no 4 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. So now 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. That means 1 digit left in this second column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this first column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 2 here. Then 1, 8, and that. Need a 4 here. Yeah, need a 4 here. Yeah. 2 numbers. Oh, wait, not 2 numbers. Here I need an 8. Yeah, I need an 8 here. Here I need a 5 here, I believe. Yeah. Well, it will be difficult. Do we have a 4 again? No. 4, okay. 4, 6, 3. I need a 1 here. Okay, I need a 6 there, and I need a 4 here. Well, we have a pair. 5 and a 6 in this row. 5 and a 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 3 boxes. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. And look, we have 5 and the 6 in this column, so no 5 and the 6 in this box. 5 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. So, 3 missing numbers now in this row. The middle row, 1, 8, and a 3. I see 1, 8, and a 3. Well, here can be 3, so this box should be 1 or an 8. Okay, that means here we have a pair. That means that this box should be the 3 then. We need a 3. So 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Alright. Then, let me see. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. Well. Need a 3 here. 2, 3, 9. And I need a 9 here. Need a 2 here also. Could be everywhere, okay. 1, 8, and then 4. I need a 4 here. Well. 4 and a 6. 4, 6, and a 3. Here I need a 3. No, 3, 6, and come on, 3, 6, and I need an 8 here. Yeah, let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for 8. Could be here, could be there. We have 6, need a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. And we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Okay. 5, 6, need a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. We have here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. We have 4 in the middle column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 4. Could be here. Could be there. Okay. 4, 6, 3. Come on. No 3 here. No 3 there. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in this column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. Okay. We have the 7s. Yeah. Difficult. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there's no 1. Could be here, could be there. Must be a hidden number here. Must be a hidden number. 1. We have the 2, the 9. Cannot. Overlooked 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in that middle row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here then. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. 5 and a 6, so 1, 8, and a 4 are missing here. 1, 8, and a 4. No 1 here. 1, 1. The 8 here. Ay, 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 ay. 8, 8. Yeah. I need a 2 here also. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. From that row, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 2, here we have a 2. And I need a 2 there also. Well, I think the 2 should be one of these one of these 4 numbers should be a 2 in this column. Here. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this last row, no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be here then. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. This box I've marked with 108. We have an 8 here, so this box should be a 1 then. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, I believe they're 8. Need an 8 here. 8 and a 4. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the other one. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well. 0 stars. Not a 0 stars. Because I'm not faster than 14, 13 minutes. Not pleased with time. But is this video 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be a 1 star. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.